Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Legion Tab, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll and find display. Then let's scroll down and find the option Screen Timeout and tap on it. So here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom we've got the longest, which is 30 minutes. What's more, we've got this option Never, which means that after choosing it your device will not black out automatically. So all you have to do is to tap on the option Like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes, so just tap on it. Then let's go back, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.